look what I gotta be driving through to go to work today on a twin spans. Sunny back behind me, but look at these clouds. This is incredible. I'm still in Orleans Parish. I just got on that bridge. You see the Wrigley's Bridge out there. Man, this is incredible though. It's gonna be a nasty wet day up here in Slidell. They call it the Dirty Dell. I guess that today we'll be calling it the Wet Dell. Alright. I don't know how many cars I'm going to be washing, but that looks incredible. I don't see any lightning with it yet, but that looks like a freaking severe thunderstorm warned or something. I mean, look at the cloud tops. This is incredible, though. Then it's got all this heat and energy that was going on right back there to converge and work with. Looking over toward Lacombe. There's kind of like a little dead spot, and then over toward the mall, toward downtown, there's a good bit. But this is just incredible. The formations of these things are just incredible. I've never seen a water spout, so it'd be cool if I could see a water spout. I'm not paying attention to how fast I'm going, and now I got people passing me, and I feel bad for them. But they're going to have to use that middle lane, so after this truck takes it, I don't know, concerning. At least I'm not hitting too many crosswinds. Yeah guys, this is oh, there's lightning. Alright, we're about to hit the hump, as they say. We're driving, I think, straight into the storm. Try to safely get over and get out of that left lane. I hate riding the left lane. There's someone in a boat out there. I can't zoom in. I'm holding the wheel with one hand anyway. They're already fighting crosswinds and a lot of traffic, so yeah, don't want to do that. What the heck? We'll let that guy come through. I'm not late for work at all. I've still got 27 minutes to be there, and I'm only 5 minutes away. But yeah, this is an incredible looking storm. Okay, yeah, it's going to be starting up around. You can see the big brown building down there just to the right of the road. That's going to be that little tourist shop. It used to be a praline shop thing like 7 or 8 years ago. It's by Oak Harbor exit Middendorf, so I got out of that truck tram behind me a little bit. Gotta be super careful. That guardrail's not too big. Then it's a 30-foot drop into about 16 feet of brackish water, so yeah, you don't want that to happen. But it happens a lot. Yeah, this is incredible, though. I wonder what happens if someone's driving across the twin spans on a causeway or something, and a water spout crosses the bridge. I've never heard of it happening, but I'm sure it's happened before. Man, and the birds are going crazy. Hope there's no hail in this, because I don't have covered parking. Alright, yep, just as soon as I hit Slidell, look at this, it's like almost that grayish, greenish look to it. Thunder. Now up to Oak Harbor. Phoenix, Arizona. Wow. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's going to go down pretty fast once we get up to about Old Spanish Trail. Oh man, and I just washed this car yesterday. I'm just rinsing it off tomorrow night or something. So I won't be driving it because I'm going to be driving the other one this week. Got to get the air checked. I am due for an oil change though. lights back on. I had them on because it was sprinkling a little in Metairie and I can't hear it wasn't. Man, this is bad visibility though. Came around that last turn coming up here, I could see it. They said that they had a storm pretty bad earlier in Luling or on Works. It was dry all day in Metairie except for a couple little sprinkles when I was leaving half hour ago. Alright guys, my phone's about to run out of space again. I need to clean it up some. Alright, I'm going to end it right here because I don't think it's going to get much more than this. Alright, y'all take care.